मुस्कुराया कहाँ चला मैं, आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा, साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। मेरे अधूरे कर दे तू पूरे आज सारी दा पानी दा
We are lost in a trance of another Arabian night. Arabian night, like Arabian days. More often than not, or harder than hard, in a lot of the ways. Arabian night, like Arabian dreams. This mystical land of magic and sand is more than it seems. There's a road that may lead you to good or to greed through the power your wishing command. Let the darkness unfold or find fortunes untold, where your destiny lies in your hand. Arabian night, like Arabian days. They seem to excite, take off and take flight, to shock and amaze. Arabian nights, make Arabian mood. A fool of his guard could fall and fall hard out there on the dune.
ಬೈದು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳೋ ಫಾದರ್ ಕಾಣೋ ಇವನು, ನೋವಲ್ ಕಣ್ಣೀರ್ ವರ್ಷೋ ಮದರು ಕಾಣೋ. ಜೀವನಕ್ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳೋ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕಾಣೋ ಇವನು, ಲೈಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಗಿಂತ ಕ್ಲೋಸು ಕಾಣೋ. ರಕ್ತ ಸಂಬಂಧನು ಮೀರಿದು ಬಂಧು ಇವನು, ಜಾತಿ ಮತಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಿವನು.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗಿಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನೀಡೋನ್ ದೋಸ್ತ ಕಣೋ.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ?
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರೋ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಜೀವ ಇರೋವರೆಗೂ ಜೊತೆಗೇ ಇರೋಣ.
ಜೀವ ಜೀವ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಜೀವಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀನು, ಜೀವನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ನಿಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ದುಶ್ಮನ್ ಆದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ನಂಗೆ ದುಶ್ಮನ್ನೇನೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತೊಡೆ ತಪ್ಪಿ ನಾನು. ಈ ನನ್ನ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟು ಎಂಟು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನೇ ದೋಸ್ತಿನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟವನಲ್ಲ.
ನೋವಲ್ಲೂ ಬೆನ್ನಾಗಿಂದೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತು ಜೋಶು ನೀಡೋನ್ ದೋಸ್ತ ಕಣೋ.
सवारी वारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक पे मुझे खाक से उठा के तेरी आँखें को मैंने तो खुदा याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा तेरा अफसाना तेरे जैसा याद तेरे जैसा याद ಸುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನವೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಳೆ ಇರಲಿ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜನ ಕಳೆ ನಗುತ್ತಲಿ ಹರಿಸುವ ನಾವು ಹೊಳೆ ನಕ್ಕರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳೆ ಸೂರ್ಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನವೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಳೆ ನಮಗೆ 108 ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ಡೈಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಗ್ತಾನೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಡೀಲು ಮಾಡು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಯೋದೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಲೈಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮುಚ್ಚೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಲುವೆ ನಮದಯ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಲುವೆ ನಮದಯ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು
Love you.
एक ही तारा वो एक तारा हो तुम ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा मेरा जग सारा हो तुम मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरती है ये रास्ते मेरे लिए
நாம் பக்கம் இருந்தும் தூரம் எதற்கு எட்டும் வரையில் எங்கும் நீ நாம் பற்றி படரி தோளை நிமித்து தீர 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 தீரே வண்ணம் பேரு வானம் பேரு இருவரின் கடல் வேறு வாழுதே இரு பறவை ஒரு கூட்டில் மெது மெதுவாய் பூக்கட்டும் இந்த பூக்கள் எதிர்காற்று இரட்டை கதிரே இதோ நீ நாம் பக்கம் இருந்தும் தூரம் எதற்கு எட்டும் வரையில் எங்கும் நீ நாம் பற்றி படரி தோளை நிமிர்த்து
दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना I'm तैयार एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना I'm तैयार
Ramesh, there are no vegetables at home. What do I cook for dinner? Please go to the market and get some vegetables.
I have told you many a time. Please tell all these things on Saturday. I'll get them on my way home. Sunday is off for me and I just like to relax. Please ask someone else to go get the vegetables.
At this age, you want me to go to the market and get the vegetables?
Arey Babuji, when did I tell you? I asked someone to go get it.
I know, you are telling me indirectly.
अरे आप उसके पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? You worked so hard for all of us, and in return, if he expects one day complete off, then what is the issue? Let him relax now. Stop it! What are you guys doing? Is this the place to play?
Dad, he has taken my new Bluetooth speaker. Ask him to give it back to me.
You guys are grown up, and I don't see any of you helping around the house. Just chit-chat and chilling out.
Now pass your work to them. Moms, Anmol, Latna, what these children will learn from you?
Dad, I do many chores on my own. Please tell her she doesn't do anything.
What do you do?
I wake up in the morning on my own. I brush my teeth on my own. I pack my school bag on my own. And I also eat on my own.
These are your jobs, and you only have to do it?
Yes, I agree. But just imagine if I don't do these tasks. These will be additional tasks for you only, na?
Dad, what kind of jobs are you talking about?
Getting groceries, paying the electricity bills, and taking your Dadaji and Dadiji for regular checkup. I only have to do everything here.
Dad, just chill. When you can do all these tasks sitting at home, why do you want us to go out and do it? You know that going out in the sun is not good for my skin, right?
So you think the grocery guy will come and take your orders from home?
Dad, he won't come for us. But in 30 seconds, I can order whatever he wants and the item will get delivered in just 10 minutes.
Okay, Dad, tell me, What do you want from the store? I'll show you.
Okay, order 2 kg potatoes. Let me see who will come and deliver in 10 minutes. Already passed. Where are the potatoes? Is he just going to deliver or will he cook them and deliver? Oh ho! It got delivered before 10 minutes? क्या बात है? Oh, it's 43 rupees. I don't think I have change.
Sir, it's already paid by UPI.
Arey wow! Now we don't need to keep coins in the wallet? But I see it's a bit expensive compared to the local shops here.
Sir, that's the convenience fee.
What? Convenience fee?
Sir, just imagine if you need to take your car out to purchase only these 2 kg potatoes. First you need to get ready, then you have to take your car out, then you need to get a parking in the market, and then the parking fee if you park it in a parking space, or is the traffic.
बस बाय ज्ञान के लिए thank you और आलू के लिए भी.
Dad, see, without going out, he solved your problem.
Half of the potatoes received are rotten. What do I do now? How will I cook dinner?
Now both of you tell. What's this? It would have been better if you would have gone out and bought these potatoes. Now the potatoes are wasted and so is my money.
Dad, don't worry. They will reimburse the money.
But what about the potatoes?
Don't worry, Dad. Let's try from another app.
No ways. I am not going to pay the convenience fee again. I would like to save that convenience fee for your next month tuition fee. Yes, Ganapat. Tell me. Arey, I completely forgot. I'll come to the shop in 30 minutes and then I'll tally the stocks. What happened? क्या discussion चल रहा है? And why is Batuk looking sad?
Oi, Ramesh Pra. Batuk is facing a lot of issues running his shop due to online stores.
मतलब?
Ramesh bhai, because of this app and online companies, there are very few customers in Batuk's shop.
But why? Batuk has been running his shop for more than a decade now. How this? Suddenly?
Ramesh bhai, even I have been running my shops for 2 decades now and I am going through the same.
Ramesh bhai, it's not sudden. It has been happening slowly and slowly. And it has not only affected me, but most shopkeepers like us.
I am still not able to understand. There was a competition before as well.
But Ramesh bhai, previously we were competing with shopkeepers similar to us. But now all these big companies have come and they have started giving heavy discounts which we are not able to match.
But manufacturers cannot give more discounts to different distributors and retailers. Then how come we are not able to match?
Mota bhai, say you have an apparels business. How many t-shirts would you order every month?
Around 300 to 500 pieces.
And what is the profit margin per t-shirt?
Maybe some 100 to 125 rupees per t-shirt. Ramesh bhai, you see, these online companies are making more than 300 rupees profit.
Ramesh ji, these online companies buy products in big numbers. So they give them extra discounts on bulk purchases.
And we have to pay huge rent for our shop, give salaries to employees, so many types of bills and taxes, and we are left with nothing.
You see, Ramesh bhai, due to these losses, we're not able to match the online companies.
I doubt with these kind of margins, it will be possible for any of us to run our business in the future.
Yes, I agree.
Even I am planning to shut down my shop because of heavy losses.
In the coming months, you will see most of the shops in our area will be shut down, and we will not be able to do anything about it but just watch in despair.
Cubine, what happened? Why are you standing here?
I'm just listening to your conversation, Saab.
What will you do listening to this conversation?
Saab, this problem is not with you guys only. We also have similar problems.
See, these online stores have not left anyone. How come?
Saab, there are a lot of companies who now sell milk, other dairy products, fruits, vegetables online.
These days, people prefer doorstep orders. Yes, I'm aware of that. And also the convenience fee attached.
Yes, even I have heard about the convenience fee.
And I do both, sir. I have a diary, of course, which is offline. Many people come to my diary in the evening, and I sell milk to them and some sweet shops nearby. I have also partnered with some app companies, and I deliver milk via their platforms during the morning hours. Sir, the business remains the same. Only the method of doing the business has changed.
Oh, is that so? Then can you help me join with one of these online stores?
Sir, would you like to buy some vegetables?
ले लो साहब, सारे फ्रेश है. दीदी, आलू कैसे दिए?
साहब, 20 रुपए per kg.
Chalo, there is someone at least who is not adding any convenience fee.
Saab, if you would have ordered online, then definitely I'd have charged you the convenience fees. Since you are here physically, I have not charged.
Are you also a part of any online app platform?
Yes, sir. We are a part of multiple platforms. Sir, why don't you book an auto from any of the apps? They will be here in 2 minutes. But yes, they will charge you the convenience fee. What happened, Ramesh? You look tensed.
क्या बोलो बाबूजी? Today I met so many people in the market who were really worried about these online stores and apps.
And how is it affecting you?
Arey, Ramesh, these things happen in business. There are always high and low in business. You don't take too much tension.
How do I not take tension, Babuji? This morning you saw in our own house. Children were using these apps even for the smallest of the things.
There will be some way, Ramesh. Don't worry too much. It may spoil your health. Go and take some rest.
Ramesh, have you bought the potatoes I asked for?
Yes, fresh ones and without any convenience fee.
Dad, can we order dinner from outside today?
Beta, I'm very tired and I can't go anywhere.
Dad, we don't have to go anywhere. We just need to order food from one of the apps and it will get delivered in just 30 minutes.
Stop it! I don't want to hear this nonsense anymore. No one will talk about those wretched apps anymore. You go study for your boards.
What happened to you, Ramesh? Why are you shouting at the children for such a small reason?
Rahul, I am making food. No need to order from outside. And Ramesh, why are you reacting this way for such a small thing? You could say no easily instead of shouting. What is bothering you?
Oh, I got this. Is it the same thing you were discussing with Bapuji earlier? I heard that while passing. Sushma, Radhika, I told you both about it, right? Okay, you all discuss. Let me go and do some puja. And Ramesh, don't take too much tension. I'll pray to Lord Ganesha that he takes away all your hurdles.
Yes, Ganpat, tell me what happened. Oh, really? Don't worry, I'll check with Sushma and Radhika and will update you tomorrow. Sushma and Radhika, listen to what Ganpat is saying. You guys took some 300 t-shirts from the shop last month and did not inform me. We need to keep track of each and every piece.
We wanted to give you a surprise.
What surprise? This was rather a shock.
Radhika wanted to give you a hand in business during her final year doing MBA. However, she was afraid that you will say no to her.
That's true. It's time for her to finish her studies and not do business like me. Dad, I know you have been running this business for more than 25 years and you did your best. But now everything is getting changed rapidly. And I just wanted to help you in running the business in a modern way. Really? Now you will help me in my business that I've been running for almost 2.5 decades?
Ramesh, don't get angry. First listen to her.
Dad, I took the t-shirts from our shop after taking permission from grandfather and mother. I created a vendor's account in multiple apps and sold all 300 t-shirts.
Ramesh, Radhika tried to speak to you regarding this new thing 3 years back also. But you were not paying much attention to it.
Ramesh, and you'll be happy to know that she made profit of 150 rupees per t-shirt, more than your set profit margin.
Wow, so except for me, everyone was a part of this online thing.
Ramesh, change is the only constant thing in this world. And I can understand. After working for 25 years in a shop, it is very difficult to change yourself. And that's the reason when Radhika asked me about this, I gave her the permission.
Sorry, Dad. Without knowing what mood you were in, I bugged you for ordering food from outside.
Dad, Rahul also helped me in setting the online store. Very good and proud of you guys. Rahul, want to order food from one of your food apps? I still need to give you convenience fee for setting up the online business.
La 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 la. Go. La 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 la.
Char. La 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 la. Che. Sa. La 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 la.
पैसा ये पैसा पैसा है कैसा नहीं कोई ऐसा जैसा ये पैसा ये हो मुसीबत ना हो मुसीबत हो मुसीबत ना हो मुसीबत सन आठ नौ दस पैसा ये पैसा पैसा है कैसा
नहीं कोई ऐसा जैसा ये पैसा ये हो मुसीबत ना हो मुसीबत हो मुसीबत ना हो मुसीबत सन आठ नौ दस
कैसे पैसे मांग रहे हो?
तेरी ऊंची शान है मौला मेरी अर्जी मान ले मौला तू है सब कुछ जानने वाला मैं हूँ तेरा मानने वाला मुझको भी तो लिफ्ट करा दे थोड़ी सी तो लिफ्ट करा दे तेरी ऊंची शान है मौला मेरी अर्जी मान ले मौला तू है सब कुछ जानने वाला मैं हूँ तेरा मानने वाला बंगला मोटर कार दिला दे एक नहीं तो चार दिला दे मुझको एरोप्लेन दिला दे दुनिया भर की सैर करा दे कैसे कैसों को दिया है ऐसे वैसों को दिया है मुझको भी तो लिफ्ट करा दे थोड़ी सी तो लिफ्ट करा दे
रुपया तो मिस्टर तेरी मम्मी का प्यार जो पैदा कर
हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तोड़ू
Technology. 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 Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, crash it, change it, melt, upgrade it, chart it, on it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, fail it, code it, find it, view it, code it, jump and lock it, surf it, scroll it, close it, pick it, cross it, crack it, twitch and fade it, name it, read it, keep it, print it, scan it, send it, fax, rename it, touch it, bang it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
Mission Mangalam. Mangalam, Mission Mangalam. Mangalam, Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल साज है।
Mangalam, Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल साज है। चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है।
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में पास है, क्योंकि दिल में पास है, अपने दिल में पास है, उड़ने की प्यास है, दिल में पास है। मंगलम मिशन मंगलम स्पेस मंगलम सकल मंगलम पूर मंगलम साग मंगलम राज मंगलम राग मंगलम प्रेम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम डाउन डाउन मिशन मंगलम प्रेम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम टेलीस्कोप राइट स्वाहा।
Mangalam, Mission Mangalam. Mangalam, Mission Mangalam.
Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Isaac Asimov का खेला है रोबो, Isaac न्यूटन की लीला है रोबो, एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन की बुद्धि है रोबो। Hey रोबो, yo रोबो, hey कितना अच्छा काम है, let's go। Boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da.
Arey Bahu, what happened to that Raj's result? He was supposed to get his result today, no?
Papa, Raj called me from his college and said he only got 84%. His maths paper didn't go as well as he thought.
Only math? I don't think he scored well in any of the subject like physics, chemistry, and also क्या कहते हैं? Economics.
Economics. How come you are so sure? Did you speak to Raj or something? But I thought his economics was good, no?
हाँ हाँ दादाजी, वही economics. अगर उनका एक कॉमिक्स अच्छा होता तो ये एवरेज थोड़ी होता ना।
Oh,
Mahesh will not be happy to hear this grade. He always asks Raj to study harder instead of wasting time in computers.
Mummy ji, Raj always says that he's going to make something really big in computers. I don't think he was playing. After all, Raj is a very sensible boy out of all that we have at home.
I'm not sure what Raj is doing with that dabba. The only sensible kid in our family that I see is Rahul.
Yeah, I agree. Rahul studies and also independently cooks dinner for all of us. But I don't understand why he always takes that camera to the kitchen while cooking.
Maybe that camera has some kind of secret recipes. I mean, that might be one of the reasons that he's able to prepare so delicious food from the rest of you.
I'm a bit worried. Mahesh is about to come home from his office and the first thing we'll ask is Raj's results.
Didi, I'm getting too scared of it. Should I go to my Micah now?
No need to worry too much. I'll ask Mukesh Bhaiya and Rakesh to speak to Mahesh Bhaiya. I know what Mahesh Bhaiya will say once he knows Raj Bhaiya's result. Appu, from now on, Raj will be your assistant. Teach him all the jobs that you do at home so that he can learn something and earn something in the future.
ए चुप कर पप्पू, जब देखो की करता रहता है.
मुझे चुप कर कर क्या फायदा दादी? I told you the truth only.
Hey bro, how much have you got?
84%.
Oh, this will be a shock to your family members. I'm sure they were expecting you to score more than 95%, Raj.
Yeah, I spent too much of time on other things.
Raj, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? You always wanted to be a robotic engineer and you're the best, bro.
I'm not too worried about the result, but I'm sure that I've disappointed my family.
There is a reason to worry, bro. Next week, campus interview will start, and many companies are going to come for hiring.
Raj, I think there's a very big chance for you and to me get selected.
Why? How much have you scored?
52%.
Don't include you with Raj. And there's a huge gap between 84% and 52%. And he's really good with computers.
हाँ, Google और Apple तो तेरे को ही हायर करने आने वाले हैं.
Bye, I'm all set. I already have a job at MS.
Bye, Microsoft Corporation. Campus से पहले.
अरे नहीं रे, मस्तराम शू कंपनी.
Which company is this?
This is my dad's shop, yaar. Whether I score 30%, 60% or 90%, I have to run the business only.
चल bye. We'll see you later and best of luck. आज बहुत पढ़ने वाली है तेरे को.
Don't bother too much, Bhaiya. Let's call my dad and inform him about this. Oh yeah. Also, let's check on the competition results, which we participated in by.
How was your day, Mahesh, Mukesh and Rakesh?
Till now it was okay. First tell me, did Raj receive his results? How much has he scored?
Well, he scored only 84%.
What? Where is he now? He thinks he scored so well that he's having a party?
Mahesh bhai, relax. He's a grown-up boy. We need to tackle the situation in a proper manner. So don't get angry.
Mahesh bhai, Raj is a brilliant child. Rahul told me that he was working on some project.
Maybe because of that, he digressed and his percentage dropped a bit. Dropped a bit? Rakesh, moreover, I don't know what you're talking about. All I know is that Raj is making some useless toy. If we don't stop him now, it may be too late for Raj.
Wow, all of you are here. I thought I wouldn't be able to meet you all at once.
Sharma ji, please come.
Before I sit, please have this sweet. Sonu has scored 95% in college. He's the first person in my family to score so much. Mahesh bhai, what happened to Raj's result? He was about to publish today.
Unfortunately, he didn't score well as your Sonu. He scored only 84%.
Uncle, I told Raj many a times to focus on our subjects. Instead, he was spending time on computers. I think that's the main reason for scoring so less. Anyways, I am the class topper, uncle.
Congratulations, beta. Well deserved.
Mahesh bhai, you made a big mistake buying those expensive computers. See, Sonu also asked many a times, but I never entered in those requests.
Yeah, you never entertained those requests, but you bought him a sports bike.
So what? Even after that, he scored pretty well, you see.
Mukesh uncle, I need that bike for my tuition classes and not for roaming around. Now you can see my results. I am the topper.
Stop it, Sonu. Mahesh bhai is already ashamed of his son's score. He might be worrying how is he gonna face everyone in the society. I know, Mahesh bhai, it's a difficult time for you. But what can we do now? Your son should have taught earlier about these things, instead of gaming and chatting in computers. We have kept a party this weekend on Sonu's graduation. If you all feel like coming, please do come. Although, I know it's very difficult time for you guys. चलो सोनू, अभी सारी प्रिपरेशन भी करनी है. पार्टी तो बस A1 होनी चाहिए. आफ्टर ऑल क्लास टॉपर की पार्टी है.
Mahesh, don't take them seriously. They're like this only.
I think we need to speak to Raj about this.
Stop it, everyone. You can't shut everyone's mouth. All this is Raj's fault. He should have known his responsibilities and been more serious in his studies. After all, he's the eldest son of our family. What if even Rahul follows the same suit?
Mahesh, don't be judgmental. Better talk to Raj about this.
What happened? Why are you guys looking so devastated? Is this because of Raj's result? How much has he scored?
Jay, his score is not that great. He scored only 84%.
What? Only 84%? That's considered way too low nowadays. What will he do now? How is he going to get a good job? My Ram has scored 92%. I am sure he will get a good job in the coming future.
Hey, are you asking this because of your concern or something else?
Bapuji, aap bhi na. At least you can congratulate my Ram on this success.
I know this was coming. I have seen many times Raj was roaming in that computer market.
What? What was he doing there?
Maybe to buy some kind of games, I guess.
Rajni, are you aware of these things? You should have taken care of these.
How would I know where he goes and what he does?
Mama, I have already applied for jobs in many MNC companies. I'm sure I will be selected soon in one of them.
Mahesh bhai, nowadays getting a good job is not so easy. You should have taken care of this earlier only.
Last year, my friend's son got 89%. After 1 year, he is still searching for a good job.
I don't know what's happening. I'm very much worried about Rahul now.
Now what happened to Rahul?
Nani, Rahul spends most of the time in the social media posting his recipes.
What is social media?
Nani, there are lots of apps in mobile wherein you can take video and upload. People will see, like and comment on your videos and also subscribe.
Only the people with no work spends time on these apps. Oh, now I understand why Rahul takes that camera to the kitchen. And I was wondering, he had hidden some secret recipes in his phone and camera.
That's shocking. Eldest son is busy creating some toy. Our younger son is busy creating some food videos. Wow, what a future. But I don't understand who's giving money to them. to purchase games and anything else for these things.
I think I know. It's Rakesh and Kirti. Rakesh is the one who bought computer for Raj and camera for Rahul.
What? What? Rakesh, I never expected this from you. I always relaxed that although myself and Mukesh were not able to give much time to our children, but you are always with them.
Kirti, what is all this?
Mahesh bhai, Mukesh bhai, please calm down. I think time has come to explain you everything. Okay, 3 months back, there was some techathon competition conducted by big companies on different innovation. Raj wanted to participate in that. Looking at his passion, I registered his name in different categories.
Go on.
But why during the exams?
Mukesh bhai, this was really a big opportunity for him, and he promised he would do better in their academics too.
Dad, Rakesh uncle is right. I promised I'd manage both, and based on my words, he entered me into the competition.
And Ranjit bhai saab, Raj was not building a toy, and he was visiting the market to get a specific computer part for his innovation project.
I have myself seen many a times Raj making some toy.
Dad, I wasn't making a toy. I took part in AI-based robotics, International Robotics League, and now the result is awaited. I'm confident that our projects will be selected.
अच्छा है घर के बड़ों को ऐसे बेवकूफ बनाना.
दामाद जी, हमें अपने बच्चों पर विश्वास दिखाना चाहिए. जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हमेशा कामयाब हो जाए, पर इन्होंने कोशिश तो की है.
Rahul and Raj, why don't you show your project to the family?
Sure, uncle.
Till the time boys get their project, Kirti, could you please explain what were you doing with Rahul?
Rahul wanted to establish a restaurant business. So I encouraged him to prepare some exotic dishes and put it in the social media to understand the market and also people to follow him. So when he actually starts his business, people are aware of him.
And you all will be happy to hear that I already have more than 1 million subscribers and people just love my recipes. I take tips from Dadima too and add my tadaka of nice, unique, tongue-twisting definition and then they become exquisite.
Rahul is becoming popular globally and many of the chefs from outside India follow his recipes for their customers. Today only we got an invite for a podcast with a gourmet channel.
And not only that, Dad, I have already made enough money for my higher education into hotel management with the social media videos.
Mahesh Bhaiya, I always wanted to start something on my own. Neither we had any platform like this at that time, nor we had any much money to start something on our own. And most importantly, my dad just wanted me to finish my graduation and get married. When Rahul showed interest in cooking, I told myself that Rahul will not let his dreams die and I'll be his support to be an independent and live his dreams.
Raj, can we see a project?
Hi, my name is Somu. What can I do for you?
What is this?
I am Somu and I am robot.
This is what you made and expecting that you'll win? We see these kinds of robots in Mela.
Bye. This is not an ordinary robot. It's very smart.
If the show is over, can someone give pizza for my dinner?
Dada, looking at your medical condition and age, pizza is not good. I will prepare some green salad for you.
Now your grandfather will be in control.
Not only grandfather, you have to be in control also.
What control?
You need to stop eating sweets, which you have hidden in your almirah.
Arey Ram, can you make something like this?
No, Papa.
Then how will you get a job?
No problem. I can even search a job for you. and also help him in his interview.
Robot, do you also wash clothes?
I can wash, rinse, dry, fold your clothes and keep it in your wardrobe.
Robot, is it possible for you to drop me at my mica?
I can, but I cannot break any law. However, I can book a cab for you. Sweetie Chachi, I am sure you want me to do something for you. I am pretty sure something would be worrying you.
Yeah, you're right. Since Raj has scored less marks, I'm a bit worried about his future.
Hello. Oh, really? Thank you so much. That's a wonderful news. I'll ask them to revert back to email shortly. But thanks once again. हुरे, बच्चों ने कर दिखाया, बच्चों ने कर दिखाया. भगवान आपका लाख लाख धन्यवाद. सब सुनिए. Raj won the competition and have impressed the companies who has conducted the competition. They themselves have hired Raj as the head of robotics and will be soon starting his paperwork for his visa. And he would be leaving for US. And our Rahul will be the head chef at Taj Hotel.
अरे रुको जरा, तो अब मेरा क्या होगा? गुड बाय.
Appu, from now on, Robot will be a head assistant. Teach him all the jobs that you do at home.
हेड भी और असिस्टेंट भी. अरे मैं तो साहब बन गया.
Never missed a way, some beshada.
ஷோக்கா தோட்டா ஒன்று ரெண்டு போட்டா பொண்ணு துள்ளுதே தள்ளுதே போடு விழு ஃபிளாட்டா கண்கள் சாணிகள் ராஜர் ஊர் போல உன்னால் கண்ணுண்டு எங்கள் பெண்ணால் கண்ணுண்டு வா நீ எங்கள் மாண்டம் 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 மச்சனே அவனுக்கு நாமே புச்சனே
Happy Diwali, folks.
Hey buddy, this is a song which is gonna be a massive hit of the year.
असूलों पर जहां जाए टकराना जरूरी है। बंदा जिंदा हो तो जिंदा नजर आना जरूरी है। बंदा हो तो जिंदा हो।
दिल नचता रे, दिल नचता खुल के थिरकने से बचना।
थिरक रे भड़क बनता हो खलक बनता हो फिकर फिकर जिंदा हो बनता हो जिंदा हो बड़ तोड़क बनता हो हलक बनता हो सबर शिकर जिंदा हो बनता हो जिंदा हो धड़कन रंगारे धड़कन अंगारे तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बनता हो तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बनता हो
கேக்குறதுனால தான் நான் நீங்க கொடுத்ததானே வாங்கணும். இந்த பாரு நீங்க கேக்குறதுனால தான் நான் கொடுத்ததானே. ஏய் நான் எது கொடுத்தாலும் நீ வாங்கிக்கிறியா?
பார்க்கத்தானே போற இந்த காளியோட ஆட்டத்தை.
உங்க ஆட்டத்துக்கு ஊரே ஆடுவேன், அதுக்கு ஒரு அடிய போட்டு விடுவோம்
அப்படின்ற.
கட்டுமல்லி கட்டி வச்சா கலகலகா பொட்டு வச்சா ரெண்டு வச்சா சாராக்காம இடுப்ப வச்சா கச்சப்பட்டி நுனை தூக்கி நெத்திக்கு மத்தி போட்ட வச்சவளே குச்சி கொட்டு நேரத்துக்குள்ள வச்சா கட்டம் தொட்டவளே ரஞ்சிதமே 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 மனச கலக்கி மத்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே என மதட்டு வலிக்க கொஞ்சமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே மனச கலக்கி மத்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே ரஞ்சிதமே என மதட்டு வலிக்க கொஞ்சமே வந்தது வந்தது மனசு சத்திரமே சத்திரமே நிக்கிற நிக்கிற வேடும் சத்திரமே சத்திரமே ரஞ்சிதமே
போதும்பா, ஆஃப் பண்ணிடலாமா? ஸோ இப்போ எப்படி ஆஃப் பண்ண போகிறேன்?
Hey man, which language is this?
This is Kannada from Karnataka.
Yeah, can I join with you?
Enjoy!
ತಿರೆ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಸರಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಕೆಂಪು ಹಳದಿ ತಾನೇ ಬಾಹುದಂಡ ಚಿನ್ನಯುದ್ಧ ಸತ್ಯ ಶುದ್ಧ ನಡೆಸೋಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ನೀನು ಕಾಪಾಡು ನಾಮಕೇನು ಜ್ವಾಲಾಮುಖಿ ಬಯಲಿ